Confidence isn't something you're born with, it's something you build. Research shows that self-confidence is directly linked to how we perceive ourselves, how we take action, and how we overcome obstacles. In reparenting, building self-confidence means rewiring the self-doubt we inherited from childhood and replacing it with trust in ourselves. Many people struggle with confidence because they were never given the encouragement they needed as children. If caregivers criticized instead of supported, or if achievements were dismissed, we may have internalized the belief that we aren't capable or worthy. But the good news? Confidence is a skill that can be trained, just like a muscle. Psychologist Albert Bandura's concept of self-efficacy explains that confidence grows when we experience success. Small achievements reinforce our belief that we can handle challenges. This is why taking action, even in tiny steps, is critical for building confidence. Every time we prove to ourselves that we can do something, we strengthen that inner trust. But what if fear holds you back? Studies show that imposter syndrome is a major barrier to confidence. This is the feeling that you're not good enough, despite evidence of your competence. Overcoming this requires cognitive reframing, consciously replacing self-doubt with affirmations of your capabilities. One way to boost confidence is by changing your internal dialogue. If your inner critic tells you you'll fail, challenge it. Ask yourself, what evidence do I have that I can succeed? Research from Dr. Carol Dweck on the growth mindset shows that those who view challenges as opportunities to learn rather than threats develop higher confidence over time. Taking action builds confidence. The more you do, the more you trust yourself. Dr. Nathaniel Branden, a pioneer in self-esteem research, said, "Self-confidence comes from the experience of mastering challenges. This means facing fears, experimenting, and allowing yourself to make mistakes without self-judgment." Body language also plays a role in confidence. Social psychologist Amy Cuddy's research on power posing found that standing tall and using open, expansive body language can actually shift brain chemistry to increase feelings of confidence. How you carry yourself sends signals to your brain about your own self-worth. Setting boundaries is another key to confidence. When we say yes to everything out of fear of rejection, we reinforce low self-worth. But when we set limits and stand by them, we send a powerful message to ourselves: my needs matter. Boundaries are an act of self-respect that strengthen confidence. Confidence isn't about perfection, it's about resilience. As Carl Jung said, "I am not what happened to me, I am what I choose to become." You have the power to rewire your self-perception. Every small action you take towards self-trust builds your confidence. Check out the website and the 3 podcasts below to find out more. You can support us on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, YouTube, and Patreon.